What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be making a sweet potato pie. So as you can see, before I boil them, I begin to poke holes in them with a fork. Once I poked holes in my sweet potatoes, I gathered all my sweet potatoes and I placed them in a pot and I covered them with water. After that, I placed them on the stove to boil for about 40 minutes. Comment down below if you prefer to cook them over the stove or bake them. After I boiled them for about 40 minutes, I waited until they were soft to take them out. So I also drained the water from the pot, and as you can see, I began to peel the skin off of the sweet potato while they were hot. But I highly recommend for you to wait until the sweet potato cools down to peel them. Once my sweet potatoes were all peeled, I went ahead and placed them all in one bowl and I began to add my ingredients in. And the first ingredient is butter. So after I added the butter in, I went ahead and started mixing with my blender. So after I mixed in my butter, I went ahead and added all of the rest of my ingredients. As you can see, I added 1 cup of white sugar. I added a half a cup of milk. Then I went ahead and added my 2 large eggs. And for the ground cinnamon, the ground nutmeg, and the vanilla extract, I really just eyeballed it. I didn't really measure it. I also added some brown sugar just to enhance the natural sweetness of the sweet potato. This is optional. As you're mixing all of your ingredients in, you want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 350. That way, by the time you add all your ingredients in and you mix it all up and you fill your pie crust up, the oven will be ready. After I was done mixing everything in, I went ahead and added the sweet potato filling to the pie crust. As you can see, I don't like for my filling to be too thin, thick, or lumpy. can see, they're done. You can tell by the color on the outside of the pie and also by the center of the pie if it's firm, or you can always do the old school fork test. Alright you all, so this concludes the ending of this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.